How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So let's get started by taking you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in your browser and wait for it to load. Then go to the search and type the United States. That's the country we are going to target in today's explanation, and click on search. Wait for it to load, and here zoom in on the country. That's the best market we can target with this method. So here let's zoom in and let's choose a state or a city from our own like. For example, here let's go to West Virginia and let's choose a place in here. Let's choose Columbus, for example. Here let's zoom in on Columbus City, and here let's go to the search again and let's type some kind of a small business. But before that, I'm going to explain or to talk about the three services that we are going to offer these business owners. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to offer to create a website for them. So if they already have a website, we are going to check if the website is up to date. If not, we are going to offer to renovate the website for them, and if they do not have one, we are going to offer to create one from scratch. And the second service we are going to offer them is removing the bad reviews from their Google Maps profile. And the third service we are going to offer them is managing their social media accounts. So here let's type in the search some kind of a small business like auto repair, for example. Here, so let's go with auto repair and let's wait to see all of the available shops in this area. So here we have a lot of shops in the area, as you can see, and here you can see all of their profiles. So in order to find the best or the profiles with the highest rate of working with us, make sure always to avoid the ones with sponsored written in the top of their headline, and also the ones with more than 150 reviews. So this one, we could have reached out to this one, but they have a sponsored written in the top of their headline. So let's move on to the next one. So here, NY Auto Repair, 87 reviews, no sponsored written. So there is a perfect profile to reach out to. So here let's scroll down to check if they have a website. So here you can see they do not have a website. So that's the first service we are going to offer them. And by scrolling down, let's see if they have some bad reviews. So here we have a lot of 5 reviews and some reviews with the other stars. So here let's scroll down. We are interested in the 1-star and 2-star reviews, those who would be considered as the bad reviews. So here this is our first bad review, but let's click on more reviews in order to make things easier to find the others. Here it's from the young, it's from a year ago. I will never come back to this place. I agreed to $100 towards the work of my car. They decided they didn't want to do the work and still charged me $100. They can do that all week. They can do that all week long. Have somebody inspect their car and then say, oh, we can do the work. What I signed was $100 towards the work for them to do it. Now if they decided not to do it, I shouldn't have to pay him, but my car will be held hostage. I paid $100 toward them to do the work. They just decided they didn't want to do it, so they can't tell anybody anything. You bring your car in, pay $100, and then they decided, oh, we don't want to do that work. So you had $100. I wouldn't trust them as ever. Go somewhere else. Never go there. Tire your car up with a toothpick in it and a piece of string, but don't go there. And this is the response from the owner. I'm sorry you feel this way. May I ask what car is in question? Because we rarely deny work on a car unless it's a big job and we must order parts first, then schedule an appointment, or B, the car is not repairable, or C, the $100 is diagnostic fee that is explained from the beginning. Also, we never collect money until diagnostic or repairs are done. I hope you find the mechanic you're looking for. Sorry, that wasn't us. Have an amazing day. So the owner is trying to go back and forth with this man who, or this woman who gave the bad review. But it seems even though the owner is trying to clear his name, a bad review is always a bad review. And by scrolling down, we will be able to find other bad reviews like this one. It's cheap fixing if you have your own parts, but be careful when dealing with them. They give you one price when you ask them to evaluate the price, and may tell you different price once you come there with your parts to have your car fixed. So it's the same problem like the one before, the same complaint. So that is a bad reputation for their business, but that's good for us. We can convince them to purchase our service by just saying that you are facing a very bad allegations in your Google Maps profile, and we can just take care of those bad allegations by removing them from your profile for only $150, and they would pay that easily. Then you can just take the $150 and go to Fiverr.com. So here you will come to this profile where you will be able to hire a freelancer to deliver that job instead of you doing it. So here, let's wait for it to load. And here you can come to a freelancer like this one, and you can pay him $25, and he will deliver the service to the business owners. And then you will get to keep the rest of the $150 in your pocket without even learning the skill or trying to resolve the problem or delivering the service. So that's it, guys, for this method. I hope you can make a lot of money with it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.